I made a custom front headlight on my motorcycle, and it carries these two 7-inch LEDs. The high beam and low beam don't change anything on those LEDs. So, came up with a solution. Mini volume control. Smallest one I could find. They call them a potentiometer, potentiometer. I don't even know what they're called, but they're like a dimmer switch. And all we're gonna do is attach power wire to here, power from the battery, and then the middle one is going to be the output power to the lights, and that's it. There's all kinds of knobs here, this one and this one, in and out, and then the neutral on the LED, the black, is going to be attached to the ground wires. And that's it. You're going to be able to control the brightness of the LED lights together at the same time.